All right, guys, so I'm back from Costco and I just wanted to show you everything I got. There's a lot of stuff here and not even all of it is pictured. So I got these protein bars. They have the like crunchy or chocolate peanut butter chunk and then the cookies and cream. I really like the peanut butter ones. They're really good. I never knew that they have these kombuchas there, but I love these Health Aid kombuchas. So I got a 6-pack of those. I love these bugak. I think that's how you pronounce it. The seaweed chips. They're really, really good and different. I love them. I got some box wine because this box wine is actually pretty good. Don't judge me. The Pinot Grigio is bomb. I got some Hennessy because I haven't had Hennessy in a while. Switched it up from my normal Patron purchase I usually get. I got some avocado oil spray, some marinara sauce, some Skinny Pop popcorn. I got this halibut, which I had before, really good. I got some tilapia. These are my favorite kale salads, so I got 2 of those. I got some asparagus. I got some smoked salmon and just a regular thing of salmon. I have these, which I've never tried. They're fruit jerky. They're really high in sugars, low in calorie, but I thought that would be good for when I want a sweet snack. I got this, which I haven't seen or had before, which it's just like pre-made poke bowls. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I also got some seaweed salad, which I'm excited about. Got some veggie straws, which I already broke into. Some pretzels, some unsalted nuts, some peanuts, and then the coconut like beverage, the coconut milk. I like adding that to my coffee. I got some trash bags. I'm a child. Oop, hold on. About to break. Okay, I'm a child and I've been wanting Capri Suns for so long. Don't judge me. So I got some Capri Suns and then I got some Ziploc bags. Okay, and then I got some new towels. These are so soft. These Turkish towels. I got 2 of them. And then I got a beach towel because I needed one. I got these Fila joggers and then I also just got these leggings. Thought they would be nice to have because it's about to start getting cold again, hopefully soon. I got these scent beads. I always use these when I'm doing laundry. And then I got this book because, fun fact, I used to be obsessed with Twilight. Not obsessed, but I liked Twilight. I used to read the books and watch all the movies. So I'm like, wow, they had it. I had to get it so I can read that. And then I just got some more laundry detergent as well. But that's it for my Costco run. My house is a complete mess right now. So I'm gonna put all my food away, clean up, and I got a lot of other things I need to do. I need to edit the video that needs to go up today. Today's Sunday. By the way, I haven't even introed this video. Hi guys, my name's Sam. Welcome to a week in my life. It's Sunday. We're starting it off right with a Costco run. But yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all my social medias. Welcome to the fam, you know, be a part. But yeah, we're just, you know, gonna move right along. I'm gonna clean, put all this food away, and I'll catch you guys soon. Hi guys, happy Thursday. I've been horrible at vlogging this week, but trust me, you guys haven't missed out on anything. I'm actually getting ready right now to go pick up my car. I had to get my water pump replaced. I didn't even tell you guys, but this weekend I'm driving up to Northern California to meet up with my family to go camping. I'm going to be there the last day they're camping, so I'm not camping that long, just one night. But I am taking you guys with me, so you guys will see that. But right now I'm just putting on my shoes so I can go walk over and grab my car. Later on, after work, I'm going to go to Ulta and Sephora if I have enough time to do both, because I am running out of makeup, or I ran out of makeup, and I want to do a Sephora, like a new makeup haul, like showing some new products that I picked up, maybe not new to the world, but new to me. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, say what's good. Happy Thursday, it's almost Friday, thank God. Today's been a little hectic at work, but nothing I can't handle. I'm wearing nothing special right now, just some Air Forces and biker shorts, and I'm about to walk to go get my car. Car shit is always so expensive. I had to get my water pump replaced, and I needed an oil change. So there goes $700. Woo! Got my baby back, and she's running oh so smoothly. What's up, guys? I'm back from my shopping extravaganza. As you can see there, I have all my stuff laid out. I'm gonna do a full haul video separate from this vlog, so that'll be up before this video, I believe, and I'll put a little card above if so you guys can check it out. But I'm home now and I'm starving, and I don't know what to eat because everything is like frozen that I have to eat, unless I want to just eat a salad. But I'm so hungry that a salad just probably isn't gonna cut it. And then I was like, you know what, let me order Chipotle. And I looked at the calories for Chipotle, and I'm like, I don't know why I never realized that it's that many calories. So I'm like, okay, well, guess I won't order that. But now I'm like, what do I eat, you guys? I'm starving. Anyways, I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Woot, woot. I'm hoping that my boss lets us off early so I can get a jump start on like my packing and my sleep. Ooh, the lighting. So I can get a jump start on my packing and my sleep before I have to drive up north on Saturday morning. We're going to Rollins Lake, by the way. That's the campsite that they're camping at. They're actually already up there right now, but yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Maybe if I make food or if I order food, I'll show you guys what I get. What's up? No, just kidding. Hi guys, it's Saturday morning and I've been driving for hours. I think I already told you guys, but I'm headed to Rollins Lake for my family's camping out there. Rollins Lake is like a little bit north of Sacramento, like an hour and a half of Sacramento. Sacramento is where I'm originally from. So right now I'm passing through a town called Roseville, and I'm almost there. I'm like 40 minutes away. I'm so excited. I'm going to only be there one night. Like this is their last night camping. I'm just meeting them for the last night. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go to Sacramento with them and then stay the night in Sac and then drive out really early in the morning, Monday morning. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't been camping in forever and I wanted to intro this video before I forget. I've done a like horrible job at vlogging this week, so yeah, but hopefully I do better once we get to Rollins Lake. What's up, guys? I made it to the campgrounds with the fam. And we're already drinking Hennessy. My sister's ghetto and she's having us hold the floaty as we drive. Kanisha, any words? No one has a seatbelt on. This is really good. Oh, okay. Well, at least our driver's safe. Oh, there's Jeremiah. Hi, Jeremiah! You can see you gotta be on footy. I forgot to put sunscreen on, so I'm gonna age about 10 years today. This is good, really good.
You gotta look your age now.
So when I got here, the lady at the gate was like, I'm with the Bradford family, and she was like, okay, oh, your dad makes the best tri-tip, blah, blah, blah. And my sister was saying that the people said the same things to you.
Like,
that,
oh, I love your dad, and blah, blah, blah.
And then Olivia's parents, or her mom and her sister just got here, and they're like, yeah, the people were saying you guys are so nice, or whatever.
That they've been feeding us the whole time.
My dad's been feeding everybody. So crazy. Couldn't be happier. God bless. My dad's barbecue has everybody out here. I'm so weak. The whole campground workers are here. Oh God. It was so much fun. That's the last time I was there.
Yeah, except for the weekend, so you all start like...
It's a video.
That's why I'm waving.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have... Hey, literally, you was gonna do a gay song.
Really?
He was like...
Oh God. Josh, hurry.
I don't want to go for it. I'm just saying you stealth to me first.
Okay.
No. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah. I'll zoom in. You can give it.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to get fucking.
That's
all. That's oh, like that video you showed me.
I know.
Y'all got me twisted.
I got red.
At this point, I need a new
No,
drink.
you
I
lost.
know.
Take 7 drinks.
Go
Can I
ahead.
do 7 seconds?
Nope.
No.
7
Seven
sips.
sips.
Seven sips. This card?
I'm good. I've had 4.
I picked
Red or black?
Red.
No. Yes, you did. I noticed.
Okay.
10 out?
No,
To
you 0.
anybody. No?
No.
If you
I'm
pick
sorry, are
the
you a
right-
dealer?
You cool?
He just did 10 sips.
I did 20, like 29.
Just take your two. Take your two to the chin. Yeah, that's why we're not doing actual shots like Dad wanted to do in the beginning. Everybody would have already been done with the game. Mine's is lower. They said Josh was gonna be first. Josh, what you have to say? You ain't first no more. Oh no, Nanda.
Samantha this time.
What is that supposed to mean?
Josh to quit before you, Nina.
Last year we went camping, you stubbed your toe, and I was like, watch out.
You mean last year, 10 years ago?
8
8 years ago. He was the one that taught him.
He probably said, you a goddamn lie, Sam. I taught him how to walk.
I swear.
Yeah.
Shit, no, it wouldn't have been no corona.
You know they named girls Mark. I'm pretty sure there's a fire ahead. There's been a few fire trucks. I've seen a few of the planes drive by, some police. We've been sitting here for about 5 minutes so far. Oh my God, I'm just so close to home. I wanna go home. Hey guys, so I thought I was done with this vlog, but I've been stuck on the freeway on the 5 right after the Grapevine, right before Castaic Lake for over an hour because there's a fire. That's my current view. I actually just went and got my book out of the what is it called, the trunk, so that I can read for a little bit. But yeah, this has just been a really good time. I started driving at 4:55 this morning, and I was supposed to be at my house by 9:53, and yet it is now 10:30 and I'm still here. So that's really cool.
Yeah.